G.056A. Can't remember what it's called. It's not worth remembering it because it's crap. Should we do a shooting test, everybody?
Yes, let's do a shooting test. Piece of shit.
Right. It's alright if you don't know what Airsoft is and you're one of those kids that, well, I want a BB gun. It shoots at around, what, 100 FPS. Alex, put that gun down. It's a Springer, so it's nothing you would take to a skirmish battle. It's not even like, it doesn't even look like the gun it's meant to look.
Look, hang on, look, shoot me and I'll show you how much it hurts. No, didn't even feel it.
I don't even think you're in frame, though.
No, I don't even think I am in frame. Can you just do that again? Yeah, do it again.
Notice Alex has commandeered my Colt there.
Let's see how much this hurts.
I don't even know how to fire a gun. Right. That's pretty much it for this gun. But if there's one thing it will be good for, it's probably slow-mo because you'll actually be able to see the bullet. So we'll put some slow-mo shots in.